Hello students, now let's continue about Diophantine equation. Let me take example. Find all positive integers x and y such that. Now let me take first one. 5x plus 3y is equal to 52. So let's find out here x and y positive integers which satisfies this Diophantine equation. So solution, the given Diophantine equation is 5x plus 3y is equal to 52. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 52. Here a is equal to 5, sorry, not 1, a is 5. Here this AB, that is 5, 3 are relatively prime and 1 divides 52. Therefore, 5x plus 3y equal to 52 is solvable. Consider this matrix AB 1 0 0 1, that is 5 3 1 0 0 1. Now let's reduce this row is in the row equivalent form. Okay. C1 minus 2C2. What does this give? This gives minus 1 3. C1 will change. 3 0 1. This will remain same. This will become minus 1. This is 1 and this is minus 2. Then let's do further. C2 plus 3C1. What does it give? This C2 will change, so C1 will be same. Okay. In C2, this entry is 0, here 3 and here minus 5. Therefore, we get the system minus 1 0, 1 3 and minus 2 minus 5 into UV is equal to 52 x and what? Y. So this gives us minus u plus 3v minus 2u minus 5v, that is equal to 52 x and what? Y. So this implies u equal to minus 52, x equal to u plus 3v and y equal to minus 2u minus 5v. Now let's we put this value of u here, then this will give u is same minus 52, x will become minus 52 plus 3v and y will become minus 104. It will become plus 104 minus 5v. Here obviously v belongs to what set of integer. Now for positive x and y, that is minus 52 plus 3v is also what? Positive. And 104 minus 5v is also what? Positive. So this gives us 3v is greater than 52 and 104 is greater than 5v. That is v is greater than 17.3 and 20.8 is greater than what? V. That is same as 17.3 less than v less than 20.8. Therefore, that is we get v is what? V is in z. So integers in between these. V is what? 18, 19 and what? 20. So these are the three values of integers for v. Now, thus if v is equal to 18, then v is 18, then what is x? Put up 18 here, then x will be what? 2. Y is, if we put 18 here, it will be 90. 104 minus 90, so it will be how much? 40. Similarly, v equal to 19, then x equal to, it will become 57 minus 52, so it will be 5. And y, v is 19, so it will be 95. 104 minus 95, so it will be how much? 9. It will be 9. Again, v is equal to 20, then x will be, put up them here, it will be 8 and y is how much? 4. So, these are the values of x and y, positive integers x and y, which satisfies this Diophantine equation. Similarly, let me solve some more problems of the same kind. So, let me take the second one. So, second, 15x plus 7y is equal to 111. So, given solution, the given Diophantine equation is 15x plus 7y is equal to 111. Therefore, A is equal to 15, B equal to 7 and C is equal to 111. Here, this A, B, that is 15, 7 are relatively prime and 1 divides 111 also. Therefore, the given Diophantine equation has solution. Hence, consider this matrix A, B, 1, 0, 0, 1. So, it will be 15, 7, 1, 0, 0, 1. So, C1 minus 2C2, what does it gives? 1, this will be 1 and this is minus 2. This is 7, 0, 1 as it is. Again, C2 minus 7C1. So, this is 1, 1 minus 2. This is 0, minus 7 and 15. Okay. If now this is in required form. Therefore, again consider this system 1 0 1 minus 7 minus 2 15 into uv is equal to 111 x and what y. Our aim to determine x and y. So this gives us u equal to 111. Then u minus 7v is equal to what? X, and minus 2u plus 15v is equal to what? Y. Therefore that is u is equal to 111, x equal to 111 minus 7v, and y equal to minus 222 plus 15v. Now for positive integer x and y, 100 x and y, that is x is greater than 0 and y is also greater than 0. So these are also greater than 0. That is 111 minus 7v is greater than 0 and minus 222 plus 15v is also greater than 0. This is 15. Okay. So what does this give? That is equivalent to 111 greater than 7v and 15v is greater than 222. That is v, or that is, this is 111 by 7, so 15.8 is greater than v, and v is greater than 14.8. Okay, so this gives us 14.8 is less than v is less than 15.8. So here the integer value of v is only what? 15. Here clearly this v belongs to what? Z, or here itself uv belongs to z. U having a value of integer. Now the question is left for v. So v is what here? 15. And the integral value in between these two is what? 15. Thus if v is 15, then x is what? Put up here v 15, then x will be what? 6. And what about y? Y is what is here? Y is 3. So this is, or these are the values of positive integer x and y which satisfies this equation, Diophantine equation. Now next example of same kind, so that it will be clear to you. Third, 40x plus 63y is equal to 521. Solution. Given Diophantine equation is (40x plus 63y equal to 521. Therefore, A is equal to 40, B equal to 63 and C equal to 521. Okay. So here the GCD of A and B, that is GCD of 40 and 63 is 1. You can check it, and 1 divides 521. Therefore, the given Diophantine equation, 40x plus 63y is equal to 521 has solution. Therefore, consider 40, 63, 1, 0, 0, 1. So, C2 minus 2C1. So, it gives us 14, 1, 0. This is minus 17, minus 2 and 1. Then, C2 plus or C1 plus 2 C2. So what does this give? 6 minus 3 and 2. This is minus 17, minus 2 and 1. Then next part, C2 plus 3 C1. Then this will be 6 minus 3, 2 as it is. This is 1 minus 11 and 7. Then C1 plus or C1 minus 6 C2. So this is 0, 63 and minus 40. This is 1 minus 11 and 7. Then consider this 0, 1, 63 minus 11 and minus 40 and 7 into UV is equal to what? 521 x and what? Y. So here this gives us V is equal to 521, x is equal to 63u minus 11v and y is equal to minus 40u plus 7v. That is same as v is equal to 521, x is equal to 63u minus 5731 and y is equal to minus 40u plus 3647. Again, for positive integer x and y, for positive integer x and y, that is x is positive and y is what? Positive. Therefore 63u minus 5731 is positive and minus 40u plus 3647 is positive. So this implies 63u is greater than 5731 and 3647 is greater than, this is greater than 40u. So that is u greater than 90.9 and here 91.1 is greater than what? U. That is 90.9 is less than u and u is less than 91.1. Therefore, we get u is equal to how much? 91. So this implies x is what? If we put u is 91 here, we get x is equal to 2. X is equal to what? 2. This one. X will be 2. And y will be what? 7. You can check that part. Y will be 7. Therefore, the required positive integers x and y which satisfies these are what? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 7. As such, you can write at last. Now, let's take the next example. These are positive integers. So fourth one, let me take 97x plus 98y is equal to what? 1000. Solution. The given Diophantine equation is (97x plus 98y is equal to 1000). Therefore, A is equal to 97, B is equal to 98 and C is equal to what? 1000. Here GCD of A and B, that is GCD of 97 and 98 is what? 1, and 1 divides 1000. Therefore, the given Diophantine equation 97x plus 98y is equal to 1000 is solvable. Therefore, consider the matrix 97, 98, 1, 0, 0, 1. So here we get C2 minus C1. So 97, 1, 0. This is 1 minus 1, 1. Okay. Then C1 minus 97, C2. So we get 0, 98 minus 97. This is 1 minus 1, 1 as it is. Therefore, again consider then the system. What does this 0, 1, 98 minus 1 and minus 97, 1 into UV equal to 1000 x and what? Y. This is our system we have to consider. Now this gives us V is equal to 1000, x equal to what? 98u minus V, and y is equal to what? Minus 97u plus V. That is same as V is 1000, x is 98u minus 1000 and y is minus 97u plus 1000. Okay. For x greater than 0, y greater than 0, that is 98u minus 1000 is greater than 0 and minus 97u plus 1000 is greater than 0. So this gives us u is greater than 10.2 and 10.3 is greater than whom? U. That is 10.2 less than u less than what? 10.3. Therefore, now here no integer in between these ones, so we will take this one itself. So u is equal to 10.3, then x is 9.4, you can do this calculation, and y is what? 0.9. Now this is equivalent to 9 and this is equivalent to what? Approximately 1. So these are the positive integers which satisfies this equation, approximately these one. Now let me take one more of this kind. So fifth one, suppose 123x plus 57y is equal to 531. So solution: given diopentine equation is this 123x plus 57y is equal to 531. Therefore A is equal to 123, B is equal to 57 and C is equal to 531. Here the GCD of A and B, that is GCD of 123 and 57 is what? 3, and 3 divides 531. Okay, therefore given diopentine equation is solvable. Therefore consider 123, 57, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so here C1 minus 2C2, this is 9, 1 minus 2, this is 57, 0, 1. Then C2 minus 6C1, so this is 9, 1 minus 2 and 3 minus 6, 13. Then further C1 minus 3C2, so this will be 0, 19 minus 41, this is 3 minus 6 and 13. Then this is the most simplified one. Then consider the system 0, 3, 19 minus 6 minus 41, 13 into UV, that is equal to 531 x and what? Y. Okay, so this gives us 3V is equal to 531, x is equal to 19u minus 6v, and y is equal to minus 41u plus 13v. Okay, so that is same as v is equal to 177, x is equal to 19u minus 1062 and y is equal to minus 41u plus 2301. Okay, therefore for x greater than 0 and y greater than 0, this gives us 19u minus 1062 is positive and minus 41u plus 2301 is positive. So this gives u is greater than 55 it will be 1062 by 19, and here we will get 2301 upon 41 will be what? This is greater than whom? U. Fine. So this is u is greater than 55.89 and here 56.12 is greater than what? U. That is 55.89 is less than u is less than 56.12. Therefore u is equal to 56. Then x is what? 2. If u is 56, this will give x is 2 and y is what? 5. Y is 5. This is the required answer. So as such, we can find the positive integers which satisfies the given Diophantine equation. In previous question also we had solved such a kind of example. Now in next video we will see some more or some word problems which can reduce into Diophantine equation and which can be solvable using the same pattern. Okay, thank you.